What would you like to learn today, Rafat?
IELTS question banks.
IELTS question banks. We'll continue in IELTS question bank. I will cover all the topics of IELTS. Please join us. Don't expect the full answer today. The answer will be included in IELTS test speaking test. I have 6 channels in the description. Please join us if you are not subscribed. Let's start now. Welcome to Crash Course channel. We'll talk about IELTS question bank. As we learned before, we talk about work, about hometown, about art, about study. Today we'll talk about bicycles. Do you have a bike? If you have a bike, say yes or not. How often do you use it? Like, how many times you use your bicycle? Do you use it a lot? Once a day, twice a week, or every day? Whatever your situation, answer this question. The third question: how old were you when you learned to ride a bike? Like, how old you were when you learned to ride a bike? Like, when you start learning to ride a bike, you were like 6 years old, 10 years old. Some people learn biking when they were like 20 years old or 15 years old. No shame, like, no problem. Just say honestly, what is the first time? How old were you, okay, when you bike the first time? Do many people in your country using bicycle like it's common? For example, in China, they use bicycle a lot, and in Japan. Like, answer honestly, in your country, it's a common thing, they ride a bike or not? Do you think using bicycle should be encouraged? Like, you think there is beneficial thing from ride a bike instead of taking the bus all the time? Because maybe you're working close by your house, or your office close by, or your school. Some people just bike to school, ride a bike to any place. Some people to work in China and many countries and Japan, they just use the bike. And do you think bicycle should be encouraged? Think about traffic jam, about the problem of transportation, about the environment, also the pollutions, like, you know, to have green environment. You don't use gas, you don't use benzene.
Do not forget to subscribe.